Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off allow repeated calls from contacts and allow notifications leave focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the focus, choose the sleep. Then in the sleep focus, click the people under the notifications. Then in the notifications, under the allow notifications, find the allow repeated calls, and as you will see, there's a switch button on the right side of it, and all you have to do is just turn it on to enable. When the allow repeated calls is enabled, a second call from the same person within 3 minutes will not be silenced. And if you want to disable, just turn again the switch button to turn off or disable. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off allow repeated calls from contacts and allow notifications leave focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!